Welcome to Tool Time segment. I'm Vlad Karpel, the founder of Tradespoon, and to my left is a good friend of mine, Joe Cusick from Trading Block. It's Tool Time, where I walk through one of our tools so that the user can better understand how to use it. Today I want to cover the Tradespoon focus list. So just to understand, when you go to Tradespoon and you see a focus list, what it means, this is the beginning of our analytical process. We have a team of equity analysts that on a weekly basis take a basket of stocks and analyze them for long-term bias. Because we believe to be a better trader, you have to have a long-term bias, anywhere from 6 months to 18 months on any given stocks in your watch list and your portfolio. And we have a proprietary system where we analyze stocks on 10 different factors, such as PE range, earnings revisions, analyst estimates, discounted cash flow analysis. We look at the several technical indicators, volume, RSI, MACD, and then based on these factors, we assign a score of 1 through 10. 10 means we're very bullish on the stock. If you go to the focus list, you can find the stocks that we analyze in, and if you're self-directed investors and you don't need to have a specific trade recommendation, you can use our analysis and our probability calculator that you also can see if you type in a symbol on the focus list. You can actually see the probabilities of where the stock is going to be in the next 50 days and structure your trade accordingly. So I think it's a great tool. And
so let me ask you a question. So you said you compile all the information for me, which I love. As a trader, what I don't want to do is I don't want to go out there and have to spend hours and hours of time. So you're taking all of your analysts, you're basically taking that information, whether it's the stock reports, whether it's the probability calculations, and basically what you're doing is compiling it for me. But what happens if I have a name that I don't see on that list?
Yeah, so if you go to Tradespoon focus list, we analyze all of the optionable stocks. They have to have underlying option data. And we look at the average daily volume, or any volume over 500,000 shares on average, it makes into our system. So we're probably currently analyzing 600 stocks. And if you type in a symbol, Cisco, Microsoft, then we will show you the latest report that you have. And sometimes these reports are not up to date. It's because that was our part of our focus list maybe 30 days ago, but it's still a relevant information that shows you what were the earnings for the past 3 to 5 years, and what is our outlook between 6 to 18 months on the stock. And it also will show you probabilities that you can utilize to find historical probability, what was the price action in the past 50 days, but it also gives you probability using implied volatility, where the stock is going to be in the next 50 days. So I think it's a great information. Yeah. And if you're in the market and you want to have access to a watch list and have that long-term conviction on the stock, which I think is very important for adjustment, maintenance, and getting into a position, it's a great tool. I encourage you to check us out. And again, thank you for being Tradespoon subscribers. Visit our webinars list. We have upcoming webinars list. We also have recorded sessions between Joe and myself, and it's a great information to trade smarter. So thank you for being a Tradespoon subscriber, and we'll see you next week.